Hi, my name's Annie Adamson, and I want to talk a little bit about healthy hand placement. There's a lot of conversation about this in the yoga world, and where do I particularly place my hand in alignment with my shoulder? How is it comfortable? What's right? What's wrong? All of these conversations. And the interesting thing that I find about our hands is that they're quite intelligent. They do a lot of things in life. They pick things up, they move things, we hug, we lift, we work, we do everything with our hands. And then we get into a yoga class and we place them on the mat, and all of a sudden we're afraid. We don't know what to do with our hands. But the interesting thing is they're intelligent. There's a lot of kinesthetic awareness here. So when you place your hands, in my opinion, it's really about feeling the ground, feeling the earth, and feeling your connection to the way that you place it, and putting that trust and remembering how much your hands do for you. So that when you get into the yoga classes, that you're not micromanaging them or overspreading them and tiring out your thumbs or your wrists, or desensitizing or collapsing into your wrists. So it's that fine balance of both, where when you place your hands, the center of your palms, just like any animal, there's a pawing or there's a cupping, a drawing upward away from the ground, so that particularly when we're weight bearing, we're not falling into our wrist joints. That you can place your hands comfortably. So one of the things I like to do is shake my hands out and actually just let them be placed. Now, if I notice one hand is very different, and then I can just comfortably set them, but I don't have to overwork. So when you do that, you can shake them out, you can play with them, and particularly if your shoulders are tighter or more restricted, you can turn your hands out even slightly, or even a little bit more. But I want you to play with it, particularly if you go weight bearing. That position has to feel natural enough that when you put your hands there, there's no stinging or burning or discomfort. And then over time, depending on side plank or handstand or chaturanga, more so than anything, there's intelligence, awareness, sensation in your hands, so that you know if you've landed crooked or you've landed in a place that's over-efforted, that just keep putting your awareness and your trust in your hands for all that they do for you each time that you place them. Seek balance, comfort, and sensation.